Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a very useful plugin for WooCommerce. So this is TabWoo, extra tab plugins for WooCommerce. So basically, if you are using WooCommerce for your online shop, an e-store, or a store, then many themes in WooCommerce allows you to create tabs in the product details page. So basically the default tabs of product detail page look like this. Okay, so if we want to change this, if we want to design it nicely as per your theme, or if we want to even add more tabs in here, or if we want to change the layout of the tab to be vertical or horizontal, then this particular plugin TabWoo is the perfect one. It offers you 20 plus different attractive templates. It set default tab layout for all the products and override the default layout to customize tabs for any product, which means you can make a very customized tab for one product and you can make other type of tabs for rest of the products. So this can be done, and very easy drag and drop draggable tab items while making it. Okay, so basically it has a lot of features like this. The tab can be made like this, the horizontal tabs and the vertical tabs here. So 10 different tab templates, what type of designs you want for the tab. So fancy or your depending upon your theme, you can choose the layout and choose the design of the tab also. These are the vertical tab designs. Add any number of custom product tab and order them. You can add any number of tabs in the product detail page. So there are 9 inbuilt tab components. Editor, you can add external shortcodes inside the tab. You can list the products inside the tab. You can put downloads inside the tab, link for downloading, and you can have custom links to go to the outer website, external website. You can have a map, you can have FAQ, photo gallery, video. So these are the content that you can define in your tabs. So this is a very powerful plugin, and you don't need any coding skill because everything will be done by the plugin itself. So you can set text and icon or both as a tab label. You can make it responsive always. So yeah, so it is easy to configure. Many font icons, unlimited colors, fully responsive, regular updates, and great support. Anyway, so let's get into the demo. So this is the demo. I'm in the horizontal tab in here. So for example, if this is your product detail page in your e-commerce website, so instead of the default tabs provided by WooCommerce, you can make your tab section like this, which is very beautiful, very content oriented and very organized. So a tab text with icon, yeah, like this. Okay, so let's look at the horizontal also. In the same product page, you can have the tab layout as horizontal also, this way. And not only this, there are many other layouts for horizontal and many other designs for horizontal and vertical layout. So I'm going to show you all those things like here. So here is one more design for you. So this looks like a simple link with the icon. Okay, so if you go in here, so it has a different designs of tabs, and here you have different design of horizontal tab. Here also you have different design of horizontal tabs, and here also you have different design of horizontal tabs. And here, yeah, as you can see, different design of tabs, and here also different design of tabs. All right, so yeah, this one also, yeah, this one also. And in the vertical layout also there are many tab designs like this. Yeah, so you can have a look in here. So all the designs that are available in horizontal layout, you will have them available in the vertical layout also. Yeah, so I think this is going to be a very good plugin for you if you are planning to make your WooCommerce website even more powerful, your product detail page or single product page look more stronger and powerful, engage more traffic and convert your traffic into business. So this is going to be a very good plugin for you, and this plugin is in offer right now. So the original cost for this plugin, price for this plugin was $18, and now it is only $9. So why don't you go ahead and grab this plugin for your WooCommerce website. All right, thank you very much.